So I'm not into making YouTube video, but I'm going to repair my Samsung Level U Bluetooth headset, which I bought in 2016, I guess, and I'm using it since last 2 years. I'm really satisfied with the sound quality, music, and also the call quality. The thing is, my this what is the neck support was broken from the middle, or you can say the rubber part was little bit open, so some water can go inside. So I need to fix it somehow because the speakers are working fine. The only thing is about the plastic body of the Samsung Level U, and temporarily I repaired it with this plastic tape. Now I'm going to fix it with a permanent solution, so that's why I'm making this video. I don't know how many people are using Samsung Level U, but still, let's do it. Even you can see this thing I'm using, like I lost in last 2 years my earbuds, so I have one different kind of earbuds and one different kind, but somehow it works fine. The size is same, but only thing is like this little flap on the left side. Yeah, let's see how it goes. First of all, I need to remove the plastic tape because I covered it. It was open. It's not completely broken. Rubber part is still there. Only the plastic part has a crack in it, so it's not that stable. But I don't want to lose it, or I don't want to buy another one from any other brand. If I'm going to buy any new headset, then it will be Samsung Level U or maybe Samsung Level U Pro. But still, I want to use this device till I can have it with me. Remove the tape from this side. The major issue which was bothering me is this one. You can see the crack here. It is broken, otherwise thing is working fine, but in this side I have this button. That's why I need to be careful about this crack, and when I'm trying to make it fix with some solution which I have found, because I searched in YouTube about my Samsung Level U, how can I make it repair. If I can find the spare parts for the Samsung Level U, like this plastic body, if I can replace it or not, but I didn't find anything. So it was in my mind how to fix this thing since last 1.5 months, and then I found the solution. I will also remove this step, and then I will proceed with that one. So finally, I have both sides released. This side is this issue. This issue can be solved easily with using a Fevikwik or some quick gum, and this side is broken. So I will use first of all Fevikwik type of gum, which I can find here in this German market, and then I also need to seal it. I'll just show you this area where it's hard to see, but it's open. The rubber part and plastic part does not stick to each other, so I need to fix it. That one too. It's here. I think it's not proper, so it's hard to see. I'm using this glue which I can find in the market because we don't have Fevikwik here in Germany, so I will use it to fix this point, and this point, and then now I'm using the glue. It's a quick gum, so it should be stick in maybe some seconds. And I'm moving it so it can be properly into the right position. Right. So this area is already sticked. I have these two small sections to make this area a little bit stronger than the other area, because it's also like aesthetic matter, because in the middle it's too thin. I have not put 2 or 3 layers inside that area. As you can see, I have pressed this area, and this bent section is like this, so in this area it will be smoother, and if anything goes wrong, it will be still not making any discomfort to my neck when I'm using it. Heat shrink pipe has like you need to give some heat with using heat gun. You can provide some appropriate temperature, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna use my lighter, which my name is like graved on this lighter, so I'm gonna use it. See this heat shrink pipe has taken place into the base place, which is, you can see even it has taken the grip from the base rubber on it, so I think it's really fine. And maybe I will just put another pipe on it. It's in tube. I can say pipe is too big. It will have more stiffness, more rigidity to this thing, more flexibility. I can use it even without telling people that it's broken or something, but now you can see how it's still flexible. I can use it, and there is no necessary discomfort thing like tape was discomforting. I was using this Bluetooth headset in my gym. That's why I had issue, because if my sweat goes inside this thing, then I need to buy a new one. But I don't want to do it, so I covered it with tape, the waterproof tape. But still, this is the permanent solution for this thing. It's hard to hold lighter for a longer period of time. That's why I use a candle, which every home have. You can also see the effect going on. It's only in the middle a little bit problem, but I will maybe more heat. Yeah, this side is done. You can see this side, how it is, how it was before. Now how is it now? You can also see the rubber grip on the second layer also. I think it's quite good, but maybe the last layer will make it better, because in the cow it's really hard to make it look good. So I will go for this side now, and then I will do the cover, complete cover with the long tube like this one. Hello, today is my level use ribbon. You can see it's really hard to find out that it was broken somewhere, and it also looks professional. So I will cut I will say the happy birthday level U. Happy birthday level U. And now even I also checked it, it's working really fine without any issue. So it's fine. And thanks for watching. If you are also a fan of Samsung level U headset and you have some kind of problems like me, you can buy this kind of what is it, the heat shrink pipe in English, in German I don't know, but it's heat shrink pipe. So if you are buying, then you also need to check the radius. If you are using for Samsung level U, I think 1 centimeter or 10 millimeter, it's really fine, because on some cows you need some more, and on some cow it will make a little bit thicker. It's also like you can feel it from inside, it's a little bit hollow, but still it's fine, because here you need more, or you can buy 2 different diameters, like one 10 millimeter and other maybe 8 millimeter, and then you can use it. But I think it looks fine, it doesn't have any issue. Even you can see from here it has some extra grip now for this area, this rubber thing, so it looks also fine. Here also, like here, even I can, like now I can move it, because I can also move it like this, and look at this, it will come back. So my neck will be inside it, so it's really fine. Your microphone will be here. So I normally use it for calling. Even when I'm in train, when I was in India, I was using this on my bike. Even at 80 or more than that, you can crystal clear hear the person with whom you are calling or something. So it's really fine. So thanks for watching. I don't know, I'm not a good proper YouTuber. I don't have any script. I'm just speaking rubbish all the time. But I want to do it because my friend and I discussed this idea or WhatsApp call, and then now I need to show him how I made it. So I made it, and then I will upload it on YouTube. You don't need to like, share, or subscribe. You don't need to anything. If you have some problem with your Samsung level U, you can watch this video, and you can also ask some question about heat shrink pipe or something else if you find any, if you need any kind of help. It's really easy. You need heat source, the pipe, and your level pro, or any other kind of headset, because this pipe comes into wide range of diameters. So even if you have some other brand and you love that kind of headset or something else which you cannot fix it with only with the Fevikwik or some kind of glue, then use this technique. It's really work fine. Music is working. What else I can ask for? Thank you.